played here, and here in Waterford, that is. This is a very cool space. I know they're still working things out here, but I do hope you keep coming back and supporting the concerts here. And bring your friends along with you next time, too.
Bring all of your friends.
So we're going to finish with a song that really, I wrote it for the ones who inspired me to want to pick this thing up and try and make a life out of it. And thankfully, even though some of them are gone, I still continually get inspired all the time by guys like Martin, you know, singing that amazing song about his dad, and Jerry plinking along on that mandolin in such a beautiful way. And so thanks to those two here for the inspiration. Thanks to my friend Mike Lindauer on the bass here too. He inspires me to do all kinds of stuff.
Vice versa.
So help us sing this one too, if you would. Sing along with us. Your part goes, whoa, we had no choice. No, we never had no choice. When he gave his river a voice, he never really had no choice. Seems like a lot to remember, but if you just mumble no choice over and over, you're mostly right. Wasn't love so big that it filled his heart, till it swelled and finally burst apart? When the love spilled out the cold and I never really had no choice. Oh, we had no choice. No, we never had no choice. When he gave this river a voice, never really had no choice. Locked himself up inside his room. How it hurt real bad to write that tune. Never really had no choice. There was some who could not understand. He built those castles with his hands, and they knew damn well they were only sand. Never really had no choice. Oh, we had no choice. Choice. When he gave his river a voice, never really had no choice. Sometimes a man, sometimes a boy. He made some music and he made some noise, but he felt his pain and he felt his joy. Never really had no choice. Was a beautiful fire inside him as he glanced at me. They said he didn't make me right, but when he was through, they laughed and cried. Never really had no choice. Wasn't love so big that it filled his heart, till his family finally burst apart? When the love spilled out, they called it out. Never really had no choice. Oh, we had no choice. Choice. When he playing. Fun night.